put up wallpaper, I took down wallpaper, I changed cushions and never got that luxurious feel that I hoped to get. And that's why you're here, James.
No pressure, no pressure. We are trying to capture that luxury element, very relaxed, very calming, and very serene, because I think a bedroom should be. Okay, come on in. This is the finished space. I am so excited to finally share this space with you. Like, when I tell you, this has been a journey, and look at the result. It's just beautiful. I'll start over with the pièce de résistance, which is the headboard. We had this headboard custom made for this wall. It's just so beautiful. NASA wanted a grey tufted headboard, but I decided to jump onto that and just create something a bit more exciting and custom. And I just love it. Like, I love all the shadow and that kind of happens in the tufts of the buttons. This is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with these wall lights. These are from Amara. They're just stunning. Like, they're just like the brass against the grey against like the wallpaper. It's just like everything. Then we added these beautiful prints from the Poster Club. Hi, the Poster Club, if you want to sponsor me, you can. And then beautiful white bedding, because you know you can't go wrong with white bedding. And these sheets are probably the comfiest sheets I think I've ever felt in my life. They're Egyptian cotton. They're very nice, very luxurious, very soft. Like, I was half tempted to keep them for myself, not going to lie. And then we have these beautiful side tables from the Wilds. It's an Irish company. They're stunning. Just with this space, like, everything was so square. I just wanted to add some more kind of contemporary pieces just to kind of make it a bit more visually interesting. So I had these beautiful brass side tables, the brass side lamps, just kind of add that movement and shape. And then, are we going to talk about this light up here? How gorgeous is this? I got this from Albany in Castlebar. It's stunning. Oh my goodness, when I saw this in the catalogue, I was like, it has to be here. I have to have it in the space. Now it's funny, like, when it's in the box, it looks so much bigger, and I was like, oh my god, is that going to be way too big? But when it's up, it's just the perfect size. Because don't be afraid to go wide with your lighting in your bedroom, because it just makes the space feel a lot bigger and more grand. And then I finished the bedding off with this beautiful throw. This is all, the bedding's all from the White Company, and it's just like, when I tell you, this is luxury. Like, it's so nice. Like, I've added it to my wish list, and I will be getting myself some of this. So comfy. And then if we pan down here, we have a beautiful rug from Zara. Zara is great for rugs. Like, they're not expensive, they're like really well priced, and they're just so nice. Like, this is a neutral rug, and it picks up kind of the greys and the beiges from the wallpaper and the headboard and everything. Just like, you know, it's nice, I think, to have something down here that kind of picks up everything going on up here. And again, I'm obsessed. And then, you know, I love these mirrors from Zara. It's a black. This is the first bedroom I got this mirror for. And when it came, I fell in love with it so much myself, I ended up getting myself one. And if you don't own one of these, what are you doing? You have to own one. It's just so nice, and it comes on like an oak finish as well, but like the black frames, the black curtain pole, like, just ties in with each other. And it's nice. I just love the curve. So nice. And then we painted all the doors this beautiful green color, because the color scheme basically came from the wallpaper. Like, the wallpaper has these beautiful like beige, green and white tones in it, and then also this beautiful orange, like a burnt orange from this bird here. Well, no, there's no burnt orange in this space, but there's kind of like the brass is kind of that kind of like warm tone. But basically, yeah, that's where the whole colour scheme came from. Like I got this beautiful card room green by Farrow & Ball, strong white by Farrow & Ball, and then the wallpapers from the Little Green Company. Gorgeous, beautiful combination if I do say so myself. And then if you notice this unit over here, this is new. Although from the look of it, looks like it's been here the whole time. And we got this built custom for the space. We got it plastered and got the mouldings put on top, just so it looked like it was built into the wall. And technically is built into the wall. And we just accessorized with some books, some art, and we got the TV put in. I just think this really finishes it off. Like it just, because the TV, remember at the start, was like way up here. NASA. So we moved it down to a more reasonable height. So you wouldn't be straining your neck when you're watching it in bed. And I had some beautiful designer books. These I love, these bookends from Amara. I just love the brass and the shape of them, they're just really simple. I think it's really nice because it's finished, it's very simple but like effective. And when you're in your bedroom, I don't think you want too much clutter. You just want it to be nice. And then beautiful curtains. We also got these from Albany in Castlebar. Hi Albany, Castlebar. It's really nice. We got them custom made as well, just so they kind of go from here and they drop and they just touch the floor. And we got them in like the French pleats, which is really nice. This is the first time I've got curtains custom made for a space, and I think I'll be doing it from now on, just because the quality is just insane. Like even the little clicks at the back, like they're all just, it's so nice. Like it's well worth the extra 100, 200 euro for this look. It's so nice. And it's just that kind of like linen, natural linen fabric, just to tie in again with the kind of beige tones in the wallpaper. And then come on, oh, the window seat. This is stunning. I'm like obsessed. It's so nice. So basically my client just wanted a window seat, I thought wouldn't it be nice to have some extra storage, just because you can never have enough storage, whether it be for your cushions, your linens, books, shoes, clothes. You can't have enough clutter. So these, we had the kind of drawers like disguised in behind the kind of paneling on the front, so you just give it a tap and it pops out, and then you can put all your storage in here. And then it's soft close as well, which is really nice. And this is done by Symphony Kitchens, who you already know have the best quality stuff. And we just painted in the same kind of card room green as like the walls and all the woodwork, just to tie it in very nicely. And it's just so nice. And then this beautiful velvet window seat cushion from the Curtain and Fabric Studio is in this beautiful green velvet, and it's just so soft and just luxurious. And we love it. It's very like, it's firm, but like it's also very soft. So it's going to withstand the test of time. Like it's not going to start bending and dipping, which is really nice. And it's like custom fit for this space. Like if you see here, you're going to have this cut in here, which is so nice. It's just a perfect little spot to read your book and relax and unwind after a busy day of working. And yeah, and then just over this side we have a beautiful picture frame with a wedding picture in it, which is very nice. And we have it tying down this side with the mother of pearl kind of detailing. So you have on the frame here and the clock over there. And just a tray, just your catch-all tray for your watch, your mug, whatever you want to put on it. One more detail, we decided to put the wall lights and the main light on a dimmer switch, just because I think it's nice to be able to set the intensity of your light, because not all the time you want like full lighting all the time. Like it's nice in the evening times to just kind of dim it down a bit and relax. Or if you're reading a book, you can brighten it up a bit more. You know, it's just the flexibility I like, and it's nice. I love these because these are adjustable as well, which is, these are I think my favorite lights I think I've ever used ever. I just think they're so nice. And I think it's nice having wall lights instead of your kind of normal table lamps, because you have so much more space down here to kind of accessorize and put your phone down, and it's not taken up by like a clunky light. It's just a bit like cleaner. And it just looks a bit nicer.
overwhelmed. It's absolutely fantastic. It's beyond, you know, it's beyond anything I could have ever imagined. I'm so grateful. Thanks, James. I love it. I really love it.
What's your favourite aspect of the space?
I think it's all beautiful. I love the window seat, the headboard, the quality of the bedclothes. It's just gorgeous. There's no one thing. I just love it all. It's class. I love it. How many times have I said I love it? No, it's gorgeous. It's really lovely. I'm so excited to spend some time in here, you know, just to enjoy it. Like, you know, this is my first 20 minutes in here now, so it's lovely. It's, like, I keep spotting new stuff, so it's really nice. The communication between the two of us, it was fantastic. It was so easy. You were so easy to work with. You know, communicated everything back to me, checked with everything. Yeah, it was so easy, you know, considering we had COVID and all of that to deal with in terms of time delay and whatnot. Yeah, everything was very streamlined. It was easy. You know, it was an easy process. Yeah, really, it was lovely. I would have never achieved this. Never. I mean, look at the lights and the colours. You know, I suppose when I met you first, I had this idea of, you know, a bedroom that I'd picked on Instagram, somebody's bedroom, some blogger's room that I had admired, and I just had that very basic grey bedroom, you know, and I would have never ever picked the colours, the fittings, you know, it's just unreal. Yeah, there's nothing I would have changed, because I would have never even came up with anything close to this had I done it by myself.
Do you have any final thoughts, or now that this project has came to a close?
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking about how you're going to do my sitting room, James. In terms of this room, my thoughts are I just really can't wait to spend some time here. I want to like sit by the window. I want to do the things that I had planned to do. You know, I wanted the window seat, wanted a comfortable space to read, you know, and just to enjoy the room, because prior to that it was just a bedroom, you know, whereas now I feel here we can, you know, relax and spend a little bit more time enjoying the space.
I really hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're doing driving lessons, don't forget to hit NASA up, because she's the best. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.